this video, I'm going to compare System.io with Landingi to help you decide which platform is better for your digital marketing needs. And so I'm going to compare them across a few different areas, including features and functionality, ease of use, pricing, and much more. So make sure you watch until the end and use the links in the description to follow along if you want. First, let's start with features and functionality, starting with System.io. So System.io is marketed as an all-in-one marketing platform that integrates various tools like email marketing, blogging, and automation, all within a single interface. This integration simplifies the marketing process, which allows users to manage multiple aspects of their campaign from just one dashboard. The platform also supports selling digital products, affiliate program management, and webinar hosting that adds to its versatility. So if we look at my login page of System.io, this is what my dashboard looks like. As you can see, they have an affiliate dashboard, they have a student dashboard, they also have stuff for funnels, so you can build funnels, you can do email marketing, you can do blogging if you want. There's all sorts of automations, rules, and workflows that you can set up. They can help you with physical products if you want to sell them as well. They can form communities, you can sell your own courses as well. So System.io is really truly an all-in-one platform if you want to do any kind of sales or online business. Now, Landingi, on the other hand, focuses predominantly on creating landing pages and lead generation tools, as you can kind of tell from its name. It offers a wide range of templates and customization options, and it has an emphasis on A/B testing and conversion rate optimization, which is crucial for refining marketing strategies. But System.io also has amazing A/B testing features as well. As you can see on the System.io comparison page between Landingi and System.io, you can see there's a lot of stuff that System.io offers, such as deadline funnels integration, sending unlimited emails, email campaigns, blogs, blog posts, courses, automations, tags, workflows, just so much stuff that System.io offers, including A/B testing, which System.io includes in their free plan, and Landingi will charge you for their paid plan in order to include that. Now let's talk about ease of use. Both platforms strive for simplicity in design and user interface, but System.io is known for its straightforward interface, which is, makes it really easy for even complete beginners to get used to the platform. And so it's really good for beginners as well as experts who want to start marketing online. Landingi also offers an intuitive drag and drop editor that simplifies the creation of landing pages without needing extensive coding knowledge. Its platform is designed to help users launch campaigns quickly, which is a significant advantage for marketers that are focusing on efficiency and speed. Now let's talk about pricing and value for money, which is where System.io really shines and blows everyone else out of the water. They offer a freemium model that actually gives you a substantial set of tools completely for free. If you use the link in the description to sign up, you can see that there's no credit card required and there's no risk. So even in the free plan, you get 2,000 contacts that you can reach. You can send an unlimited number of emails. You get 3 sales funnels, blogs. You can set up a course. You can set up an online community with unlimited members. You can set up automation workflows, email campaigns. You can do A/B testing. You can integrate it with all the different payment platforms that you commonly use. You get 24/7 email support, and you even get access to their API. This is an unimaginable amount of value for a free plan, and 2,000 contacts is enough people for you to actually start making money if you're selling some sort of product or promoting something as an affiliate. So chances are, if you have 2,000 contacts, you're making a good amount of money, and you can easily upgrade to the startup plan, which bumps that up to 5,000, and it's only $27 a month. And if you pay annually, it comes out to $228 per year, which is even cheaper. So as you can see, you can go all the way up to the unlimited plan, which gives you literally everything unlimited without any extra cost. So for $97 a month, whether you have 100,000 people on your email list or 100 million, you're paying the same amount of money, and you get absolutely everything completely included, unlimited, maxing out completely. So System.io is absolutely amazing. It's even cheaper if you go with the annual plan, and you can use the link in the description if you want to try it out for free. Let's look at Landingi's pricing plans. So they also allow you to try it for free, but they don't actually have a free plan. They start with the light, goes up to the professional, which is their popular choice for marketers and agencies, and you can pay $1,000 a month if you really want to get everything unlimited. Now, if you bill annually, you get an extra 2 months, so it's a little bit cheaper, but you don't get nearly as many features. You can build a bunch of landing pages and you can get some contacts, but that's basically it. This is a very limited resource. It's mainly just for landing pages, whereas on System.io, you can build landing pages and you can do literally all this other stuff right here as well. Now let's talk about the customer support and resources. System.io is really praised for its customer support. They have a bunch of tutorials and help pages, and you can contact their customer support really quickly. They're available 24/7 with a real person who can actually answer your questions. So this is amazing, and if you need customer support, then System.io is really winning in that department. Whereas if we look with Landingi, they do have a bunch of assistants and they have some articles to help you out, but if you want to actually contact them, then you can send them an email and they'll get back to you between Monday to Friday. So it's not quite as good as System.io if you want immediate support. But what do customers actually have to say about System.io versus Landingi? Let's look at their Trustpilot reviews. System.io is absolutely killing it in the reviews department. System.io has over 4,000 reviews, which is absolutely insane, with an average of 4.9 rating, and they are a verified company. The vast majority of the reviews are 5 stars with almost nothing below it, and lots of recent reviews as well from just a few days ago. So System.io is absolutely crushing it. If you look at Landingi, they have 42 reviews with an average of 4.7. It's also verified, but 42 is just so much smaller than 4,283, and they're still getting a higher rating even on that. So make of that what you will, but System.io is clearly more reliable and customers like it a lot more. Both System.io and Landingi provide different features. System.io is more of an all-in-one platform. Landingi is more specifically for just building landing pages. I would recommend getting started with System.io no matter what you're doing, because System.io literally has everything you could need, including landing pages. And you can get started with System.io completely for free without even having to enter your credit card details. So there's no risk at all. If you want to try out System.io or Landingi, I've included the link in the description. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.